What's up? Monkey hood, tight quarters. We got I haven't broke the monkey hood out in freaking years, but yeah, we had to install these, burn the hole, install them, put a shim in the back, double vertical. Man, I'm having a good hair day. Ooh, a little salt and pepper. But yeah, don't arc out on the panels. That's a no-no. But yeah, this is a double. There's 2 tube columns. And that's what you get. Yeah. Got 2 more to do. And I'm out of here. Yeah, this was a request, but it's all good. It's what you do. And you can see it's not like ideal conditions. You got to make it work, and you got to be on your A game. And God bless America. Thanks to my subscribers. Whew. Tight, man. My fucking neck's killing me. Oops, I cursed. But yeah, everything's cool, works great. Got Wes over there, fitter, pipe liner. Hey Kelly G, that's your buddy. I was shooting a breeze with him. I don't know what's that, 12-inch, 16-inch. So yeah, he's rocking it over there, and when I roll, I'm gonna check it out. But it's all good. Always be prepared for like the worst freaking conditions on burning wire, because this is one of them. Thank God for my monkey hood. It's a Huntsman. It's very old. I didn't even mess with the lens. I just broke it out, and thank God I have it, because the pipe liner, the Tiger hood would not fit under here. Pancake, I think I could do it. I didn't bring it. I wish I did. I would have tried just to see, but you could see. It's almost about a foot, not even. And then to, you know, to get in there. But it's all good. Keep burning wire. God bless America. I'm out of here. Later.